So today I was working on the one LWC component, and there I was uh, getting one error, which is uh, failed failed to load resources. The server respond with a status of 404. So I have done some analysis and found the way multiple ways to how we can resolve the error and scenarios where we can get this error. So first we have a possible scenario where we can get this error. So in JS file, you have imported, right, that resource file with the name of static resource. So first check the uh, resource file name. This is the case sensitive, and it should be the exact name of your file. So first check this. This is the case sensitive. So need to check file name. And second scenario we have, if you have structured or zip a wrong file or wrong structured file. So suppose you can see here that you have source file directed um, zip with the folder. Uh, in this way, this will not work. You have to correct your file structure. So this is the correct file structure. This is the resource name uh, of static resource name of your Salesforce org. Inside this, we have folders like seed.js, and then we have a resource file inside this. So if you want to upload your source Excel file, then you have to zip this folder seed.js and then upload into your static resource into the org, and then file structure will be like this. So and you can see here this is the load script. This is the function load script to load your file into your program. So this is the folder name and this is the resource file. And third one we have, if you saved the wrong file, like this is the correct file name. So always save your resource file with the uh, correct file name. This is the wrong file names. So correct file name this. And next we have if you mm, mark as a private, if you mark as private your static resource, then it will be also it will give error. So always uh, make it public, so it will be easy to load resource file in LWC component. So this is the possible way or scenarios to solve this error. If you got, thanks.